Hi, I'm Ron. Welcome to Ask Me for a Balloon. Today's tutorial is the plane on a pedestal. Okay, so for our balloon airplane tutorial, we're going to start off with 260 light blue and 260 red. Stretch them out, blown them up, maybe the 4 fingers of tail, and the blue one with 6 fingers of tail. So we're going to start off by tying the nozzles together. We're going to start off with the blue, about a 3-finger bubble, and a 1-finger pinch twist. Then about a 4-finger bubble, and another 1-finger pinch twist. Now you want to bring the balloon back to this one, but you want to make this balloon a little bit bigger than that bubble, so it leaves like maybe like a cap. Like that, and twist it into a pinch twist. That's what we have so far. Now you want to measure the length of your plane. So I'm going to make mine about 8 fingers long. And you want to match the red one up to where you twisted it. Just twist them in together. With the red, you want to make a 4-finger bubble, and then a 2.5-finger bubble. Bring them back and twist them in. Do that one more time. A 4-finger bubble and a 2.5-finger bubble. Twist them in. Those are going to be your back ends. Okay, so with the blue, you're going to want to measure this side. Make sure it's the same size. Bring it back and tie it into your blue pinch twist. And then you want to make the same bubble with this blue. There's about 2 fingers, 3 fingers. Really big. You want to twist it in together. There you go. I finished it off with 2 pinch twists. Break it up. And there we have it. You want to take your other red and bring it back and match this side. So it's about the same size. A little bit bigger. There we go. Just twist it into the front pinch twist. Take it off. So that's what we have so far. We're going to take your other blue 260 and twist it into the back. Like a 1-finger pinch twist. And a 4 or maybe a 6-finger bubble, followed by a 3-4-finger bubble. Bring it back down and twist it into the pinch twist. Take that off, you don't need it, strap. There we have our back fin. Starting to shape up. We need our wings. 260, blue, light blue. We're going to blow it up, maybe 4 or 5 fingers of tail, give it a nice stretch. And we tie the ends together. Now you want this little tail here so you can tie it into the end of that. So we're going to find the center. Now you want to take your balloon and find the center, maybe go a little bit off center, pinch it and give it a twist. Do the same thing with the other side, line about the off, same spot about it, and a nice twist. This is what we have. We're going to stick this through the middle, and with that tail, want to just gently wrap it in to that pinch twist that we put in the front there. I'm missing the propellers. I've chosen red since it's more camera friendly. So we're going to start with a 2-finger bubble, 3-finger bubble. Fold it over, make a loop. We'll just do that twice. Make sure they're about the same size. And then we're going to make a pinch twist. We're going to make 2, maybe 1-finger pinch twists. It'll work for me. There we go. There's 1. You'll probably get away with just using 1, but I like using 2. More of a dimension shape, I guess. That's our propeller. We take the nozzle of the propeller and just twist it into the 2-pinch twist that we have here. So all we're missing is the scrap piece of white that we're going to put across here for the eyes. We want to make it about the same size of that. Twist it into the 2-pinch twist that you have on either side. It's all up to you and how big you want the front. I'm going to make mine just a little bit smaller. And there we have our plane. So with this plane I'm going to put him on a pedestal. So for the pedestal I've chosen to use a blue 350. I've blown it up about halfway. This is 3 pumps, a 5-inch round, and this is 2 pumps. I've also added a balloon weight to the bottom. Okay, so starting off we're going to take your 2 pumps of air quad and just going to twist it in to your 4 pumps. So we have something like that. You take your nozzle of your 350 and we're just going to twist that in as well. Twist it in pretty good because we don't want it to come out. So that's what we have. Okay, so the next step is a 5-inch round. I've blown it up 3 pumps. Tie them together. This is a duplet. We need 6 of these duplets. Okay, so we're going to simulate clouds. So I'm going to take the 2 duplets and twist them in together. I'm going to take another duplet. We're going to twist that in. One more. We're going to twist it into the middle. Got to find that middle. Keep track of it. Keep track of it. One more. And the final one. I have to manhandle a little bit. And there we have our cloud. So we're going to take our 350, take the end, and we're going to just simply tie it in to the middle of our cloud. So that's what we have. We're going to use this end to tie our plane into it. So we take our plane. So I'm thinking the best place is to tie it in between the two bottom here and the wing. So we're going to take it up, pull it through, and maybe twist it back into the balloons. There we go. There we have it. You want to situate it where you want it. And there we have it. Our airplane in the clouds and a little pedestal. It's great for decorations, little parties, maybe a centerpiece. Or you can just have the plane by itself. Great for line work. Easy to do. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.